My previous video about the CMF Phone 1 is getting some serious hype, and I'm pumped about the 3D printing potential. This phone is going to be a beast for anyone who loves to build and create. I've been checking out Makerworld for some cool and practical projects for this phone. Let's dive into what could be the next big thing in mobile phone accessories. First off, Nasus is more than just a game. It's a smart blend of design and functionality. Its futuristic look not only makes it a stylish addition to your setup, but also serves a practical purpose. It protects your phone while doubling as a fidget toy maze. Instead of doom scrolling on your phone, Nasus offers an engaging way to stay occupied. The customizable dot case for the CMF Phone lets you design it exactly how you want. With its 3x5 magnetic grid, you can easily attach and rearrange nameplates, emojis, toys, or tool holders. The flexible grid allows for various plate formats, like a 2x2 square or a 5x1 long plate, to suit your needs. Transform your phone cover into a personalized statement with endless customization options. The modular multi-tool system for the CMF Phone features a magnetic modular design for easy customization. Beyond just being customizable, this system features practical tools, foldable pliers, an emergency whistle, a phone stand, a mini driver with bit storage, a wrench and bottle opener, an SD card holder, and a utility knife with a safety mechanism. The CMF Phone disc launcher looks like a total blast. With a 7-shot capacity, it's a breeze to set up using just a rubber band. You get 2 gear options, one for immediate use and another that includes a bearing for a smoother shot. The handle cleverly hides a trigger that can be moved and locked into place. Choose between the high-power version that blasts discs over 5 meters or the low-power version that sends them about 3 meters, ideal for quick, fun action. Transform your CMF Phone into a key part of your LEGO Technic creations. This compatible phone cover features 4 full-size and 12 half-size pinholes, making it easy to integrate your phone into your builds. Whether you're crafting a camera grip, a camera dolly, or countless other creative designs, this accessory provides plenty of connection points to securely attach your phone to your Technic structures. Perfect for any enthusiast looking to blend tech with creativity. Introducing the ultimate phone cover for makers. It holds a screwdriver and 8 bits, with the screwdriver doubling as a phone stand. Plus, it features a hanging ring for secure attachment. Perfect for quick fixes and keeping your phone safe and functional on the go. Stay prepared with this all-in-one cover. Are you always misplacing your earbud? The earphone offers a fun and unique solution. It's the perfect spot to store your earbud when it's not in use. Just pop the earbud out of the earphone, place it in your ear, and enjoy your music. When you're done, put it back in the earphone for safekeeping. Available in small, medium, and large ear sizes to fit your earbud perfectly. I would love to hear which one you like the most. Let me know in the comments which design you're most excited about and which one you'd like to see me create next.
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe.